Welcome to the AutoCred.net Arcturus tutorial. In this video, I will walk you through the Access Controls wizard. So let's get started. The Access Controls wizard allows you to quickly set up or update access controls on your system using 4 simple steps. To access the wizard, select Cribs, Access, Wizard. Step 1 allows you to create a list of employees that you would like to add or update access controls for. Select the desired employees from the Select Employees box and click the Add button. The selected employees will move to the box on the right. Review the list, then click the Next button to continue to Step 2. If you would like to restrict the selected employee's access to cribs, select the desired crib or cribs from the box on the left and click the Add button. The selected cribs will then move to the box on the right. Review the list and click the Next button to continue to Step 3. Please note that if you do not wish to restrict employees from any cribs, you may simply select the Next button to continue to Step 3. Please also note that at any time you have the option to go back a step by selecting the Back button or canceling the Access Controls wizard by selecting the Cancel button. Step 3 allows you to create a list of employees you wish to create access restrictions for and set up the item rules. Select the item or items you wish to create access restrictions for from the Select Items box and click the Add button. The Item Rules screen will appear. In this screen, you will set up the maximum quantity allowed and the frequency for the selected items. First, enter the maximum quantity that the user can take during the selected frequency. In this example, we will enter 1. Next, select the time period that the user may have to take the maximum quantity allowed. The available options are per day, which means that access controls will reset daily. Per week, reset every means that access controls will reset weekly on the day that the user selected from the drop-down field. Per month means the access controls will reset at the first of every month. Per year means that access controls will reset yearly on January 1st. The last option is every X number of days. This is a user-defined field, which means that you can set the number of days that should pass before the software will reset the access controls. Please note that the access controls reset time may be set up in the Access Reset Time field, which is located in the Tools, Options, Scheduler module. The default time is set to 12 a.m. After making your selections at the bottom of the screen, you will see an example of the access controls that you are about to apply. Now click the Add button to add the new item rules. To add additional items with different rules, repeat the process by selecting the items from the Select Item box and clicking the Add button. Enter the maximum quantity allowed and set the frequency. Then click the Add button. The items and their access control rules will display in the box on the right. Review the list and click the Next button to continue to Step 4. Step 4 allows you to review and finalize your access controls. First, you would need to select an effective date. The default selection is effective now. This will make the changes effective right away. You may also set up access controls to begin taking effect at a future date by selecting the Effective On radio button and entering the desired date. Before submitting your access controls, you may review the list of selected employees, cribs, items, and the item's max and frequency. If any changes need to be made, you may select the back button to go to the previous screen or step, or you may select Cancel to cancel the access controls wizard. If you are satisfied with your selections, click the Submit Access Controls button. A pop-up screen will appear that says, "Great! Access control rules have now been created." You will then be prompted to select one of the following three options. The first option is titled, "Yes, save these settings to a new profile." This allows you to save the submitted access controls settings into a new profile. A profile allows you to easily apply access control settings to new and existing users. When you select a user and assign them a profile, they will automatically inherit all the profile access control settings. If you would like to proceed with this option, select the radio button next to the title, then enter a profile name and a description. The second option is titled, "Yes, add these settings to existing profiles." This allows you to add the submitted access control settings to an existing profile or profiles. The third option is titled, "No, I do not plan on using these settings again." If these access control rules are not assigned on a regular basis, then it may not be necessary to save as new profile or add these rules to an existing profile. When you have made your selection, click the Next button. If access controls have not been enabled for the cribs, you will see the Crib Access Control Not Detected pop-up box. You will then have to select one of two options. Option 1 titled, "Yes, apply employee access controls to the following cribs." If you select yes, the rules you have just created will be enforced for all the selected cribs. If you would like to enforce access control rules later, please select option 2 titled, "No, not at this moment." After making your selection, click the Next button. You will see the message, "Access control updated successfully." This concludes the Access Controls Wizard tutorial. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out additional AutoCrib Arcturus tutorials.